Your baby's brain is growing and wiring itself right now in ways you can't see, and most parents don't even realize there's a window you can't get back. It's not that you're doing anything wrong. It's just that no one ever told you that intelligence isn't about flashcards, apps, or signing them up for every class under the sun. It's about something much smaller, much quieter, something happening in the little moments you're already living every day. Here's the thing. Every time you rush them, answer for them, or fix a problem before they even try, you're quietly taking away the experiences their brain actually needs to grow. Ancient Japanese parents knew a different way, tiny, simple habits that naturally build focus, calm, and emotional strength, without stress, without overwhelm. Stick around, because missing even one of these 5 habits could mean leaving a huge opportunity for your baby's brain on the table. Why your baby's brain is wiring right now. First, you need to know that right now, your baby's brain is building itself in ways you can't see, but that will affect the rest of their life. Every second, trillions of connections are forming between neurons, creating the foundation for how they'll think, focus, and manage their emotions. This window of rapid brain growth is short and delicate, and most parents don't even realize it exists. It's not about doing more or pushing harder. It's not about expensive toys, flashcards, or lining up a dozen classes before your child turns 5. True brain growth happens quietly, in the little, everyday moments you're already living. How you speak to them, how you respond when they fuss, how you let them explore or solve small challenges on their own, all of it is wiring their brain for focus, emotional intelligence, and resilience. Even small choices matter. Every time you slow down instead of rushing, wait instead of immediately solving a problem, or just let your baby observe and explore the world around them, you're giving their brain the experiences it needs to grow strong. Miss these moments, and you miss an opportunity that can never be fully recovered. Your baby's brain isn't just developing, it's being shaped by the rhythm of daily life, by connection, and by tiny habits you may not even realize you're practicing. Understanding this changes everything about how you approach parenting, because it's not about doing more, it's about doing the right little things in the right way at the right time. The 5 tiny Japanese habits that supercharge brain development. Ancient Japanese parents had a completely different approach to raising children, one that didn't rely on toys, lessons, or flashcards, but on tiny, effortless habits that quietly strengthen the brain. The first is slow, calm speech. By speaking gently and giving babies space to absorb language, they let their little minds take in words and sounds naturally, without pressure or hurry. The second habit is observation before intervention. Instead of rushing to solve every small challenge, parents allowed babies to explore, try, and even struggle a little. That tiny bit of independence gives the brain critical opportunities to problem solve and build focus. The third is nature exposure. Babies were taken outdoors to feel the wind, listen to rain, notice light and shadow, and sense the rhythms of the natural world. These simple, gentle experiences refine sensory processing and help the brain learn to notice patterns. Next comes emotional mirroring. When a baby fussed or cried, parents didn't immediately fix it or distract them. They acknowledged the feeling, showing empathy and understanding. This helps the brain develop emotional regulation, so children learn to manage their feelings instead of being overwhelmed by them. Finally, there's proximity without constant engagement. Babies were carried close, but allowed to quietly watch life unfold around them. Just observing adults, their routines, and the world happening nearby teaches attention, social awareness, and calm focus without overstimulation. These 5 tiny habits may seem simple, almost invisible, but practiced consistently, they quietly build focus, emotional intelligence, and resilience from the very beginning. But for that, you need to learn about the science behind the baby's nervous system. It's not about doing more, it's about doing less, with intention and letting the brain grow naturally in the right environment. The science behind calm, focused, emotionally intelligent brains. Babies aren't born with focus, patience, or emotional control, but their brains are wired to develop these skills from day one, if given the right environment. Science shows that calm, predictable, and emotionally attuned surroundings help babies form stronger neural connections in areas responsible for attention, self-regulation, and social understanding. When a baby feels safe and supported, their brain can organize itself efficiently. This means they're better able to notice patterns, remember experiences, and regulate emotions. On the flip side, overstimulation like constant noise, rushing through activities, or overscheduling can make it harder for these pathways to develop, leaving babies more easily frustrated, distracted, or reactive. Even simple habits like speaking in a gentle tone, waiting a moment before jumping in to fix something, or letting a baby observe quietly can have a measurable impact. Neuroscience now confirms what ancient Japanese parents seem to know intuitively. Calm environments and responsive caregiving actually shape the architecture of the brain, creating the foundation for focus, emotional intelligence, and resilience that lasts a lifetime. Before we dive into everyday moments that secretly shape your baby's mind, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting tips and insights. Everyday moments that secretly shape your baby's mind. The truth is, your baby's brain doesn't just grow during big milestones or structured activities, it grows in the quiet, everyday moments you might not even notice. Those tiny pauses, the seconds you wait before answering, the moments you let your baby explore a toy on their own, or simply allow them to observe the world around them. All of these experiences are wiring their brain for focus, problem solving, and emotional regulation. Even small choices matter. Letting them struggle a little with a task instead of stepping in immediately teaches resilience. Watching you go about your day teaches pattern recognition, social understanding, and curiosity. Gentle, consistent routines give them a sense of safety and predictability, which actually helps their brain organize itself more efficiently. These moments are happening all the time in play, in meals, in walks around the house. You don't need extra toys, apps, or lessons. The ordinary moments of everyday life, when approached with attention and calm, are some of the most powerful tools you have to shape a calm, focused, emotionally intelligent child. Long-term benefits: raising a calm, focused, resilient child. When these tiny habits and everyday moments are practiced consistently, the impact goes far beyond infancy. Babies who grow up in calm, attentive, and responsive environments develop stronger focus, better emotional regulation, and a natural resilience to life's challenges. They learn to manage frustration, solve problems, and navigate social situations with confident skills that will serve them for years to come. These aren't just small wins in the moment, they're the foundation for lifelong learning, creativity, and emotional intelligence. A child who feels safe and supported early on is more likely to explore, take healthy risks, and approach challenges without fear. They develop patience, curiosity, and the ability to self-soothe, all of which make it easier for them to thrive in school, relationships, and beyond. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't require extra effort or stress. By focusing on calm interactions, mindful observation, and small daily habits, you're giving your child the most powerful gift: a brain wired for focus, emotional balance, and resilience that lasts a lifetime. These tiny habits and everyday moments may seem small, but they're quietly shaping your baby's brain for life. Calm, focus, emotional resilience, it all starts with the little things you do every day. Start now, and you'll be giving your child a foundation that lasts a lifetime. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips on raising smart, happy kids, and leave a comment sharing which habit you're going to try first. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to watch the next video for even more simple, science-backed ways to help your baby thrive.